California's top insurance regulator is signaling he may approve an emergency request from State Farm to raise home insurance rates. This could have a big impact on 1 million people.
Yeah, now earlier this week, the insurance commissioner skipped a hearing at the state capitol, and now we're learning the surprising reason why. We have team coverage on this right now with our Capitol correspondent Ashley Zavala covering the commissioner himself. But first, let's go to KC Area 3's Curtis Meeing with more on what happened today. Curtis?
Gulfston 80 State Farm says the reason for this 22% emergency rate hike, the LA fires. The commissioner's office told us today, never before has the state's largest home insurer said it's having money problems. A public hearing must happen for the company to justify that hike. This hike would apply to around 1 million customers' insurance premiums. State Farm says it needs to quickly rebuild its capital to prevent a, quote, dire financial situation after those fires. State Insurance Commissioner Ricardo Laura's office said today he'll make the final decision in April. And we spoke with a rep from the commissioner's office today about California's struggling to find insurance they can afford. And here's what he had to say.
To do business in this state, we need companies to actually write not just the lower risk homes, but also homes that do have that wildfire risk, and they need to help people bring that risk down. And so our strategy really it's focused around, number one, getting people insurance discounts, incentives to actually make their homes safer. Commissioner Lada is actually sponsoring legislation that's right now being introduced to create a grant program to pay people back tax-free to help pay for their roof or pay for the 5-foot clearance around their home, because we know that works.
Now, he also said they are seeing indications more home insurance providers want to expand to give you more options. We spoke with an insurance expert today about what you, as a homeowner, must keep in mind.
I think some of the most distressing stories we've heard out of the LA fires is people who had lived in their homes for a long time, had insurance set at a specific rate, and are only covered for a fraction of the value of their homes because the home values have increased so much since they maybe have reevaluated that policy. So they can't rebuild at the home that they lived in because they're just not covered for that cost. So be very mindful of that. Insurance is obviously a calculation, both in terms of budget and then peace of mind and safety for your family going forward. So you're gonna have to put more thought into it and probably more cost, unfortunately.
Well, State Farm says it plans to refund the emergency rates if California later approves lower rates through a request the company put in last year. Now, the last time the state approved a rate hike for State Farm, December 2023, and that was 20%.